Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here, reviewing a set of ultra low cut liner socks. So these are great if you wanted to still wear socks and basically not sweat up some of the more delicate shoes. Like I got Sperry's here, Tom's, and also a pair of dress shoes. This particular set comes with 5 pairs of socks in the 2 most popular colors, the nude color and also black. So you got 3 pairs of nude colors and then 2 pairs in black. What I really like about them is how comfortable they are. They're not too thick or too thin that I feel like it's adding too much bulk, and they're not so thin to the point that I think they're going to, wear out with just a little bit of friction. Here's just a quick thickness comparison to say some silk stockings, and this is just a little bit thicker than that, but it's not a full-on cotton sock. They also feature this gel pad at the heel, so you don't even worry about these slipping down, particularly with these ultra cut socks. They do tend to slip around if they don't have this kind of non-slip padding in the back, but I'm glad that these do. And these ones are able to fit shoe sizes women 6 to 11, so that's pretty much very universal. The material still allows it to be very stretchy, and it doesn't feel like it's restrictive at all. It's really comfortable, easy to take on and off, things I really look for in socks. And since these are low cut and pretty much no show socks, I'm able to wear them with all these types of shoes. My Sperry's, you can see they're pretty much indecipherable. Same thing goes with my Tom's, and Tom's shoes especially will tend to be a little bit more skin tight, but these still fit perfectly fine. And then for my dress shoes, which have some pretty sharp edges, I'm glad that the socks is able to provide a little bit additional padding for better comfort. And caring for them is like you would with any other cotton sock. I usually just put it in one of those mesh laundry bags, and then that way it separates it from my other clothing and just toss it in the washer as I would normally. So I highly recommend these no-show socks. They're also at a great price at around $10, so that's like $2 per pair. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can pick it up for yourselves. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. You'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.